Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the euro dollar monthly, I'm still a big believer that this move down is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is going to eventually go up and make either an expanding flat wave C, which would most likely bring it up to one of these higher fibs, or possibly even a running flat wave C, which would possibly bring it down to one of the lower fibs. Either way, I'm definitely still thinking that this is going to make a big move to the upside at some point. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I'm still looking at this as a big wave 1. I still think this middle set is an expanding flat wave 2. If that is the case, that means this is a 1. That means that this is a wave 2. Whether or not the wave 2 is over or not, I think we have to wait and see what this week's interest rate does for the dollar. I still think at some point it is going to go up and make a big wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are definitely going up. I wouldn't be surprised at all if the euro dollar did actually end up making one more push down to the 78.6. Then if it goes up and breaks structure, that's what would confirm to me that the wave 2 is over and that we really are going up for a big old wave 3. So we're just going to have to keep an eye on it with that big interest rate news that we got coming out this week. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did actually push down one more time. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it's not so obvious on the euro dollar, but if you start looking at correlated dollar pairs especially, I do think this is very, very likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably either a wave A or a wave 1. I think that we are very likely going down now, which will probably at least take out the low of wave 4 for either a wave B or a wave 2. Then I think we'll go up for either a wave C or a wave 3. If it is a wave C, it will likely bounce off a fib level, go down one more time. If it's a wave 3, then it will still probably bounce off a fib level, but it will not give you that end of a trend signal. But instead, it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I definitely think this first push down right here is a wave A. I think this is very clearly 1, 2, 3 waves up, most likely a wave B. I think we are likely to go down, probably at least back to the 50 or the 61.8, maybe more likely to 61.8 for a wave C. Then once we complete this ABC crescent, if we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice break of structure to the upside, that's what's going to cause me to stop looking for shorts and start looking for buys again. Like I said, this is either an A or a 1. This is ABC, either ABC of 2 or ABC of B. Then we should go up for a wave 3 or a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the members by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.